Hey everyone, this is Stan Sher with eTraining, and today I want to talk about utilizing some of the tools that your vendors have. This is very important because I believe that if you utilize some of the tools that you're paying a lot of money for, such as TrueCar, such as Edmunds, yourcars.com, your auto traders, everybody has a portal and everybody needs to be able to utilize that portal, and a lot of dealerships don't understand that they have them because they're either not explained. For example, I am in a pre-owned independent dealership with a general sales manager, finance director, and a couple salespeople, and two new BDC representatives that we're training. And nobody here knows that they have a TrueCar dealer portal, or that they have an Edmunds portal, or that they probably have car code and it's not installed. So it's very important for your dealership to know about these tools. So if you're missing out on the opportunity that you're paying for, you need to contact me so that I can personally help you out. My consultation will be priceless.